Modern car infotainment systems have become incredibly sophisticated. Understanding factory resets is essential for every vehicle owner in today's connected automotive world. In 2025, over 95% of new vehicles include advanced infotainment systems. These sophisticated systems now manage between 15 to 20 different connected services, from navigation and entertainment to communication and vehicle diagnostics. A factory reset restores your car's infotainment system to its original factory state. This process completely removes all personal data, clears any custom settings you've configured, and signs you out of all connected accounts. Factory resets are essential for resolving major software corruption when your system becomes unresponsive or when experiencing multiple connectivity failures. Most importantly, you should always perform a factory reset before selling or trading your vehicle to protect your personal information. Recent advancements have revolutionized factory reset capabilities. Major manufacturers like Tesla, Ford, and General Motors now offer over-the-air reset options. Enhanced security protocols prevent unauthorized access, while the industry is moving towards standardized reset procedures across different brands. Modern infotainment systems require an important additional step before performing a factory reset. You must disconnect all digital wallets, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other financial services. This prevents potential security issues and ensures your payment information is properly removed from the vehicle's system. Understanding these fundamentals of factory resets ensures you can effectively manage your vehicle's infotainment system while protecting your personal data and maintaining optimal performance. There are three primary methods to perform a factory reset on your car's infotainment system. Each method has different success rates and applications depending on your vehicle. Method 1 is the menu-based reset, which has the highest success rate at 94%. This involves navigating through your system's settings menu. Start by accessing your vehicle's settings menu, then navigate to System and Reset options. Select Factory Data Reset or Master Reset and confirm with your security PIN. The process takes 5 to 15 minutes. Method 2 uses hardware button combinations. This physical approach works when the touchscreen is unresponsive and has an 87% success rate. The most common combination is power plus volume down plus home buttons. Hold these simultaneously for 15 to 30 seconds until the system restarts. The exact combination varies by manufacturer. Method 3 involves fuse removal, which forces a complete power cycle. This method has a 78% success rate and should be used as a last resort. Find the infotainment fuse in your vehicle's fuse box, remove it for 10 to 15 minutes, then reinstall it. This forces a complete power cycle and system reinitialization. Always consult your vehicle's owner manual for the specific reset procedure for your car model. Different manufacturers may have unique requirements or safety considerations.